Hey, it's Melissa with WTI, and my washer used to smell worse than dirty laundry. This washer is only a year old, so I was trying to figure out what I was doing wrong. Why was my washer so smelly? But the great thing is that I found these, and wow, look how shiny my washer is now. These are tablets that you put inside of your washer to clean it, just like it says, active washing machine cleaner, and wow, did it do the job. There is no need for it to have any kind of name other than what it does. It was extremely simple to use. All you do is run it on a normal hot water cycle, or if you have a self-clean option like I do, then you would go ahead and run it on self-clean. I was really surprised at all the dirt and grime. I continued to check it over and over. There was so many soap suds. I don't know if that was this tablet doing its job or if it was actually all the soap that had built up on my washer. There was a lot of grime and dirt coming off as well in the suds. So I was really pleased at seeing all of that get cleaned up with this one little tablet. This came with a package of a year's supplies, so I know that my washer is going to be tip-top shape for the rest of the year. I'm really excited. My husband's really excited. We don't open the door to that funky odor in the washer anymore. It's so embarrassing. So I'm really happy that we tried these. I really think you're going to enjoy them too, and that's my point of view.